Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. When we do hard work to grow a plant, take care of it, and when the plant gives us fruits, flowers, or vegetable, it makes us very happy. The planting that my mom does is totally organic and it is planted in pots. As it is organic, it is chemical free. So my mom makes all the insecticides, pesticides, fertilizer in home and for free of cost. Today we will be making a magic liquid which will be helpful for many farmers and for the plants. We have given many videos like this, but today we are still giving this video so you can apply it on your garden for free. Okay, so without further ado, let us start the video. Today we will be making bioenzyme by fruit peel. Bioenzyme is an eco-friendly soil supplement for improving soil quality and plant health. To make bioenzyme, there is a strict ratio that we must follow. My mom has took watermelon peels and now she's cutting them. The more smaller the peel, the more better. Here there must be needed 3 items. First, vegetable or fruit peel. After cutting the vegetable peels into small pieces, you must wash it thoroughly. Now the second item we need is water. The water must be normal, clean tap water. Me and my sister together are filling a 5-liter jar with all these watermelon peels. Keep in mind that the fruits or vegetable peel that you are using must be fresh and must not be rotten or spoiled. Bioenzyme can be created with any vegetable or fruits peel. As I told you, first item is the vegetable or fruit peel, second item is water, third item is jaggery. The ratio is first jaggery is to fruit peel is to water, which is 1:3:10. It means 100 grams of jaggery, 300 grams of any peel and 1 liter of water. Another thing is, for 1 liter of this solution, you need 2 liters capacity of plastic bottle. It is told because this solution makes some gases. You are making 2 liter solution in a 5 liters jar. After making this solution, mix it properly. Okay, let me tell you another important thing while making bioenzyme, and you should always maintain that. Can you see how much is empty in the bottle? That much space must be empty in your bottles as well. Now I will show you how you open the cap and release the gas. Never open the full cap. Only loosen the cap a little bit and allow the gas to escape. The first 7 days every day release the gas. After that, weekly release the gas. Keep it in the shade, and after 3 months, this would be ready for bioenzyme. After 3 months, just stain the bioenzyme and use it as pesticide, insecticide, soil. Just use 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme with 1 liter of water. I hope this video will be helpful for you and your plant. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.